T here. You know what? People didn't know this, but I am a former student, a graduate of American Broadcasting School. That's the #1 way of entering broadcasting, honey. American Broadcasting School. Now, it's located at 712 North Watson in Arlington, Texas, y'all. And there's also campuses in Oklahoma City as well. There's online campuses for remote study, and there's also this website you could go to, www.radioschool.com. That's American Broadcasting School, y'all. It's the way to go, honey. So definitely get it, get in, get out, get going. American Broadcasting School. I did it, and I'm standing here today talking about it. Gary with the T, the Rickey Smiley Morning Show, and Dish Nation. Signing out. Peace.